Hey guys, welcome to Fiddling with Fun, and this is my new channel from Meg and Eth, and I'm going to be doing this is my new channel and it's called Fiddling with Fun, and I'm going to be doing art and baking. So today what I'm going to do is, some of you might have seen these, but some of you might have not have seen these, but these are, I don't even know what they're called, but they're really fluffy and they're really long, and we're going to make little people out of them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is basically just grab any sort of colour. I'm going to use black for my first part, and you'll need another one as well, or you can just use the same one and put it in half to cut. So if you cut them in half, you can use just one of them, and the other one can be for another person. And if you use this, you can grab any other colour or the same one to do some arms on it. So get another one of the, get a different colour and do the same as you did with the black one. Cut it in half. Then you can just use, if you want to do the legs first, then you can, that's what I'm going to do. And you need to do this. It's pretty hard, but you need this bit to fold over like that, as you can see. And then grab the little half of the different colour and bend it over to another halfway. Then you'll have little legs. Wait there, guys. There we go. Then what you need to do is you need to get the black bit that's bent that way, and once you've put the it dangling on there, then you need to push this backwards over the red legs, over the different coloured legs. And then if the body is too long, then you can put half again and then cut it, because that's what I'm going to do now, because it's way too long for the rest. So there we go, I've got half, and now it's really little and it's the perfect size. And now I'm going to use these. It's really long and it's really cool. I need to get the sun out of the way because it looks really cool. That you can do it with any sort of wand. I'll show you how to do it. So if you grab a green one and a black one, then you can put the green one around here, and then this, and then it goes all the way around, and you need to make sure it stays on. That one isn't as cool because it's really dark sort of colours and you can't really see it properly because the sun's in the way, but it's a really nice day, guys, it really is. And I'm gonna do a video outside probably today with my brother, I'm not sure, but right now I've got this, which is blue and pink. And by the way guys, if you've got any leftovers of like dark colours, then you can use like a light colour and a dark colour and they look really cool together. So yes, hear that? Okay, now if you put these in half, then you can just leave it to the side while you grab your black body piece that you've just made and then bend it over like you did with the legs, and but you've got to do it like this and then put your fingers in the middle of that bit and bend it right over like that, so then it can hang on to the body piece that you've just made. So now we've made the arms, so we've got to make the head, but you can see that you haven't got any left space on your body piece. So you're gonna need to put another part on the top with your extra half that you just made before the video, and stick the arms down, and then you've got to put the black piece through the arm, one of the arms, and then it'll look like that. It'll look weird, but it should work once you put it around one of the arms. There you go. So you've got to put it around one of the arms, then you've got to straighten out the arm so it goes forwards, and then you've got a big long head, so if you want to you can just bend it over and you can put anything you want onto that head. So guys, that's the first person done, and the video is not over yet, even though it's been 7 minutes and nearly 8 minutes. Oh, my brother's coming here if you want to see him. You might recognise him from quite a few channels that he's been on. I know, but you've been on some other channels with me, like Josh and Jack's channel and stuff.
Yeah.
So there's the person there. So if you want to put something on your head, on the head, then you can do the same as you did with the arms, I think. I don't know which one, but anyway, let's carry on. So now you can just grab any piece, like let me check what pieces I've got. Okay, I've got a green, and I'm going to put it on here. I'm just going to cut off this because that was my first attempt on a head. Okay, there we go. So you just curve it around the sort of thing. If you're doing like an animal, you can put it around, and then you can do some ears that go up like that, and you can cut whatever you want off it. And then if you're doing something else, then you can wrap it around the head, like to the other sides, like this. and then you could have it so it looks like a girl, so it's like this. So guys, that's the first one done, and I hope you liked the first one, because that was pretty cool to make for Fiddle and Fun, or Fiddle with Fun. Okay, so what should we do next? Okay, oh,
What are you doing?
hello, Lamb Chop. Okay, guys, this is my teddy. We called him Lamb Chop when I was little, and he might be in quite a few of my videos.
Hello. I can't get in.
And probably today we will be doing Not My Arms challenge because it's Thursday today.
What are we going to be making?
I'm not sure, but we'll probably do it on my channel and probably Ethan's channel at the same time.
My channel is basically Ethan Meg now.
That's fine still. So now, guys, I think we're going to make a new video, and make sure to watch that video after I've sent it out. So the next video is going to be making some more arty things. I'm going to think about what I'm going to make, and right now I'm going to upload this video. So hope you liked Fiddle with Fun for this video, and we've already done some fiddling with fun. So bye guys.